2024 youth hunt, first afternoon sit. Very windy, like 20 to 30 mile per hour winds with 40 mile per hour gusts. We have Bull over here. He's gonna be the killer, so hopefully we do good. We're actually gonna pick a spot that's going down kind of at the bottom of a bowl, so hopefully the only little quiet spot is where the deer go tonight. So here we go.
You got him? Yeah. Down. Down.
Yes! Got him.
Let's go. Nice. You shaking still?
Yeah.
All right, let's walk down to the pile and see where there's blood. We thought we heard him go down. There's a lot of blood?
Yeah, look at all that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Blood.
Oh, yeah.
Keep tracking.
There's blood right there. There's there. Okay. Oh, wait, there's one right there. He's right there.
Yep, there he is. Let's go.
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, man, he's nice, Cole. He's bigger than I thought. Heck yeah. Hey, boom, you betcha.